truth. Here we go. I've just put an app on this morning so we can see how fast we're going. Be interested to see how this performs under power. I mean, this thing looks like a piece of crap, but there's a certain satisfaction knowing that I put this together myself, designed it, built it. What a beautiful morning, it's completely still. We're up to 6 kilometers an hour. Alright, let's see how this thing turns. So this is it turning at full speed. Not too shabby. Look at that. Oh, I'm well pleased with this. I made something that actually works. Didn't need a trailer either, so it all fits in the car or on the roof rack. It's a bit of a faff setting it up, to be honest. You wouldn't want to be somewhere where there are people waiting behind you to get in. So I think I probably need to streamline the process. Get a little buggy or something to carry the heavy battery in case there's a trek from the car, but you know what, this is alright. Right, let's see how this thing does a little chicane. Let's do a little slalom. Not too bad. I might even do some fishing. So you can stand up in it. By the way, this isn't a fishing channel. I don't know what I'm doing, I'm just chucking stuff on the end. Throwing it in and seeing what happens. Right, realistically, I am not going to catch anything. I'll be amazed. If I catch anything with this plastic frog thing. Anything that's big enough to eat that will probably tip me in. I don't think they're convinced by my realistic swimming action. Let's try down here a bit. Ah, crap. I didn't mean to go in the tree. Let's try that again. I've got my giant net ready. Not that I'm going to need it. Come on, something biting. Does that look like a frog to a fish? Or does it look like a giant, great big green plastic monstrosity? It doesn't move like a frog, especially when I'm moving it. Alright, I'm giving up. Let's go somewhere else. And yes, you can stand up while you're going too. How sweet is that? I should probably stay away from the edge, because I ate a log earlier. Kind of got tangled up for a little bit. I mean, it does look ugly, as I've said before, but it kind of works. You can stand up in it, you can fish from it, you can stick it on your roof rack, you don't need a trailer. Super light, bloody ugly, but it works. Next time I'm going to try and make a buggy for this lot, so it's less of a slog to get it in the water. Oh, and if you want to, you can subscribe. Catch you next time.